Hello everyone. Today we have started our chapter 7, that is triangles in maths. So let's get started. This is our first class in which in this class we are going to only done an introduction of the chapter, that is triangles. So what is triangles? First of all we have to know what is a triangle. So the definition of what is a triangle is that a plane figure bounded by three line segments is called a triangle. What is called a triangle? So by definition we get to know about that a plane figure means there is no printing, there is no photo, only a plane figure bounded by a three lines means must have three lines. A segment is called a triangle. So if we make a diagram, so the symbol we denote a triangle by the symbol that is this. This is a symbol to denote a name of a triangle, that is example triangle ABC. Okay, now let's make a diagram. So the diagram is this is a triangle. This is a triangle. A plane figure named it as A, B and C. Now what we have learned? We have learned that a triangle has a plane figure bounded by a three line segment and denoted by a symbol that is mentioned here on your screen. You can see that, and the diagram of a triangle is also made. Now first of all, by a diagram what we know? We know that it has three vertices. What? A triangle has three vertices that are A, B, C. Means the vertices are the corner point or a intersection of two line segments are known as vertices, like here A, B and C. These are the three vertices of a triangle. Second one is there are three sides. So the line segment 3, so the sides are 3. The side name is as AB, BC, CA. These are the three line segment. Now the next are three angles. There are also three angles are present. So what are the name of the angle? That are angle A, angle B and angle C. So what we have learned? We have learned that a triangle is a plane figure bounded by a three line segments. It is denoted by the symbol triangle and we named it as triangle ABC. It has three vertices that are the corner or end points of line segment, that are A, B and C. There are three sides that are the line segment, that is AB, BC and CA, and the next one is the three angles as well, that are angle A, angle B and angle C. So now we are going to learn about the types of triangle on the basis of its sides. Means according to the sides, means equal or unequal tells us the different types of triangle. So let's get studies the type of the triangle. Types of triangle. On the basis of, you have to learn that it is the classification on the basis of sides. So, first one is equilateral triangle. First one is equilateral triangle. And by the basis of sides, this is a classification, so it's mean that they are mainly depend on the sides. So a triangle have all sides equal is called an equilateral triangle. What means a triangle having all sides equal are known as equilateral triangle. Like example, we have made a diagram here. So here means if a side is A, then all the sides have same dimension, that is A. Understand? Means all the sides are equal to each other. Next one is our isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle. That is a triangle having only two sides are equal is called an isosceles triangle. Means it has only two sides are equal, while the equilateral has three sides are equal. But here isosceles means having two sides are equal. So if we make a diagram here, it means it has only two sides are there, which can any two, means any two, doesn't means only above two or lower two or middle two, base, doesn't means it has any two sides are equal. Third one is, that is scalene triangle. Scalene triangle. So a triangle which having no sides are equal to each other means if a triangle is made, then all sides are different, that is A, B and C, that is A and B. Understand what we have learned? The three sides means according to the sides of a triangle, there are three types of triangle. First one is equilateral, that have all sides are equal. Second one is isosceles triangle, in which only two sides are equal. Third one is an scalene triangle, in which no side is equal to each other. Now our next topic is perimeter of a triangle. That is perimeter of a triangle. Perimeter of a triangle means the sum of all the sides of a triangle is known as perimeter of a triangle. Means the sum of all the sides are equal is known as perimeter of a triangle. So, what we have learned? We have learned that the perimeter of a triangle is the sum of all the sides, which may be a equilateral if we are studying about the equilateral triangle. Like if we have asked what is the perimeter of equilateral triangle. So, all sides are equal. So, the A plus A plus A is equals to 3A, the perimeter of equilateral. If we ask about the isosceles triangle, then two sides are equal and one is different. So, the perimeter is 2A plus B. While when we ask about the scalene triangle, then all sides are different. So, the perimeter is same as A plus B plus C. Understand? Now, next one is types of a triangle. Types of triangles on the basis of angles. So, the types of a triangle on the basis of what? Angles. So, there are three types of triangle. First one is right angled triangle. Right angled triangle. Here word is used angled, that because it's the classification on the basis of angle only. That's why it is known as a right angled triangle. So, the definition is a triangle in which one of the angles measures 90 degree is called a right angled triangle, or simply a right triangle. Means it has two names. First one is right angled triangle and another one name is right triangle. So, let make an diagram. If we make a diagram, it has some this type, because its one angle measures, this one is measures 90 degree while the others have a sum of 90 degree. Means it is B A or B, then A plus B is equals to 90 degree. Understand? Now, second one is acute angled triangle. Acute angled triangle, that is a triangle in which every angle is less than, every angle measures more than 0 degree and less than 90 degree is called acute angle triangle. Means acute means angle that is greater than 0 or less than or equal to 90. This is known as acute angle. Here the word is acute angle triangle means a triangle in which all the angles or every angle is less than 90 degree or greater than 0 degree. Now the third type is obtuse angle triangle. Now the third type is obtuse angled triangle. So it is mean that is a triangle in which one of the angles is more than 90 degree but less than 180 degree is called obtuse angle triangle. Understand what means? Obtuse angle triangle means in which obtuse means an angle that is more than 90 degree but less than 180 degree. So here it is obtuse angle triangle. It means a triangle in which one of the angle is more than 90 degree but less than 180 degree. So here we completed our here we have completed our introduction part, in which we have learned about the what we have learned? We have learned about the first of all what is triangle, next one the types of triangle on the basis of side, and the other one is the types of triangle on the basis of angle. So here we completed our introduction part. Now in our second class we are going to do a congruence of a triangle of this chapter 7, that is triangle. So let us meet you soon in our second class, that is congruence of triangle. Thank you so much.